Hi everyone, David Lewis here. Want to know one of the easiest ways to increase your sales without sounding pushy? Well, it starts before the repair orders are even written. A professional vehicle walk-around isn't just an inspection. It's your best opportunity to build value and earn customer trust. Too many service advisors rush through the walk-around or skip it altogether. Guess what? That's a missed opportunity. When you inspect the vehicle with the customer, you're inviting them into the process. Point out worn tires, low tread, cracked wiper blades, chipped windshields, uneven tire wear, or fluid leaks. You're not selling, you're simply showing them what you see. Remember this, customers believe what they can see more than what they're told. Ask questions that encourage conversation. Try saying, have you noticed this tire wearing more on the inside? Or when was the last time these wiper blades were replaced? These questions help customers become part of the inspection instead of feeling like they're being sold something. When they discover the condition with you, the recommendation becomes much easier to accept. The best service advisors don't wait until the estimate to create value. They start creating value in the parking lot. A thorough walk-around builds trust, prevents surprises, and leads to more approved work because customers understand the why behind every recommendation. Don't just write up the vehicle. Walk it, inspect it, educate the customer, and watch your approval rate grow. Good luck, everyone.